Recently, I had the opportunity to spend a weekend in the Allegheny National Forest, a 513,000-acre stretch of beautiful wooded mountains, cliff bluffs, and pristine waters in northwestern Pennsylvania. My first stop was at the ANF Visitors Bureau in Bradford, a charming historic town that lies in the heart of the forest. The Visitors Bureau is the place to go for information about fun things to do in the forest and around Bradford. To kick off my adventures, I visited the breathtaking Kinzua Skywalk, a reinvention of the original 1882 viaduct.
Oh, that's cool. This is so beautiful. Pictures and videos do not do it justice. Pictures and videos don't do any beautiful place justice. But this is incredible, especially here. I'm gonna hop. Woo! It's freaky because that used to be the railroad. So there are holes. Not holes, spaces down to the bottom. But just look at how gorgeous this is. It's incredible. This is such a beautiful spot. Seeing the damage down here on the ground floor is so different from up top on the skywalk. I can only imagine the sounds of when that tornado was ripping through here. Sweaty spaghetti from that height. That actually was not bad at all. Really, you're only gaining about 300 vertical feet, maybe a little over. And it's only 0.4 miles, so it's a nice, quick hike. Although you will be a little sweaty on your way back up. It's a lot of fun though. That was so worth it. Here we go! The sun will be setting in about an hour, so we're going to be able to watch the sunset from the kayaks or from the canoe. Which one should we do? So they have stand-up paddle boards, kayaks, and canoes. And it looks like they have two different size canoes too. Decisions. It's so beautiful! Wow! So you can rent this equipment right from Willow Bay. You don't have to leave the campground to have access to this outdoor rec equipment. You can pop over, get a stand-up paddleboard, kayaks, or a canoe, and get out on the reservoir. It makes it so easy and convenient, and it is such a beautiful night. I hope the fish are biting. We'll see. Look at that! Little smallmouth! It's so cool! That was the first fish that I've ever caught from a kayak, which is so cool. And I haven't caught a smallmouth in a long time. I've been catching largemouth a lot, so that's also equally as cool. But it's getting kind of dark. We're running out of light a little bit, so I think I'm gonna cast a little bit more just because got one. There's gotta be more to be had. So cast it a little bit more and then we're gonna head back to shore. But this is beautiful. This is incredible and I highly recommend. Highly recommend everything because it's awesome. If you like fishing, the reservoir is a great place to fish. That's for sure. Let's keep going. A couple more before we run out of light. That's it. Welcome aboard. Oh wait, not aboard. Welcome ashore. This place is just really peaceful and beautiful, and people are using it and enjoying it and having fun. This is public land, public water. It just all makes me so happy. I really love being in special places like this. This place is very special, very beautiful, and should be treated special and beautiful. So that's the cabin. It's really clean. I like the location. I think Willow Bay is awesome. We've got a lot on the agenda today. So we're gonna leave the cabin and we're gonna go hike first and then we're gonna do some fishing. Looks like the weather broke, so should be a good day. Check it out. We are here at the Rimrock Trail and we're at the overlook right now. So the Rimrock Trail runs about 1.3 miles down to the Kinzua beach. So if you're looking for a little hike, you can go all the way down to the beach, but if you're just looking to experience this beautiful overlook, it's just a short walk from the parking lot and then you can enjoy the views. This Rimrock Trail is gorgeous. It's just so beautiful. There are huge boulders the entire way down to the beach. It's phenomenal. I'm loving this. And I'm so happy that the weather changed and it's no longer raining because the sunshine feels so good. It's good to be out here. Make sure to bring some water. The entire way back is uphill. So water, good shoes, and you'll have a good time.